Today is the 21st of July, 2011, in Calvary House Baptist Ministries, Ministerio Batista Casa Calvário. It's after the Bible study, and we're eating a snack right now. It's a little bit cold and rainy, and the kids want to say hey, but not like that because he's acting terrible. It's a terrible example, and he's a really bad dancer, too.
The bus too. Let's go to store.
Oh, thank you, son. Serving the cookies. Ooh, thank you for this yummy cookie. Everybody loves Randall Monsieur. He's such a beautiful little baby boy. Hello.
Hello.
Mr. Hannah Virginia says hey.
Bye.
Says bye. Oh, Randall Monsieur. Way to go. Yay, gloria a Dios. Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. Alright, everybody, ciao, say bye. Say ciao, ciao, disse ciao.